Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be fixing an issue that's quite common, which is the tire stem. The tire stem on this tire is actually bad, but I'll show you guys what I mean, but with some soapy water. Alright guys, so all you really do is just spray some soapy water in here, and you gotta watch for it to bubble. And it would really foam up really good. One other way is to wipe the bubbles off. And you can watch it kind of build up again. So that is where you would find a leak. Over here, there is a leak. It's been bubbling for a while now and I haven't had a chance to fix it. So we're just gonna be fixing this today. So first things first is you're gonna undo the stem. So I'm gonna be breaking the tire bead. If you haven't seen that video already, please go and watch that. So I'll break the tire bead and I'll show you guys how to replace this. There you go. So the bead is broken. You could actually see the valve here. So what you would do is you basically have to cut this valve off from the back. So if you push it down hard enough after the bead's broken, you can actually get in there and take the valve off. So you just get an X-Acto knife or something and cut that valve off, and then you can reinstall new ones. These actually, I got these, they're a couple bucks for a set. So we're going to be putting these in. All right, so once you kind of cut the back off, you should be able to pull it through. So what I'm going to be doing is using this tool here, hooking it right off here, and pull it right through. It'll be the same method to install as well. There you go. Just like that, it comes right out. Now, unscrew this, and you want to put in the new one. Before you do that, you probably want to inspect this hole to make sure that it is clean of debris and stuff. So I'm just going to do that real quick. Alright guys, so once you have the new valve stem, you add some soapy water to the back of it so that it lubes it a little bit. Then you would thread it through the back where the hole is. Then you use this tool and you thread it in here. And then once you get enough threads in, you just yank and you'll hear a click where it pops in, and then that's installed. But that's basically how you would install a new valve stem. Hope this helps you guys out. If you haven't already, please comment, like, and subscribe, and share my videos. As always, guys, I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.